Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa, Best Life Lee. Well, in today's video, I am going to be sharing with you a banana bread that is only 4 points on the Weight Watchers point system. This is not a sponsored video at all, but I recently started, I joined the Weight Watchers app, which is only $11 a month, by the way, and it is a point system. If you've ever used it before, you know that you put in your desired amount of weight loss and they give you a points per day system to help you achieve that goal. And I started it about maybe a little less than a month ago. I would say maybe 3 weeks, 3.5 weeks ago. And I can tell you that I've already lost 5 pounds on this. It is the only way that I can kind of learn how much food I was actually eating before. So it helps you with portion controls, but it also has a scanner that will allow you, when you're in the grocery store, if you see something, and you can scan it and you can tell how many points it is. So it's really, really great. My breakfast is usually about 6 points, but I am going to make this banana bread, and it is a recipe from the app, and it's only 4 points per slice. So I'm going to have a slice of this for breakfast today, and I'll be ahead of the game in terms of how many points I can have for the rest of the day. So that is what I'm going to show you today. I'm going to bake this banana bread, and then I'm going to give it a taste for you. So what I am using, I have a 1 3/4 cup of flour. I have a 1/2 cup of maple syrup, real maple syrup. I have 1/3 cup of non-sweetened applesauce. I have a teaspoon of baking soda, a teaspoon of vanilla extract. I have 1/4 cup of unsweetened almond milk. I have a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, a 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, and I have 2 eggs. And I also have some really ripe bananas. So I have my loaf pan, and I sprayed some Pam on there. So I'm going to get started on putting everything in the bowl. I'll bring you over so you can see the process, and then I am going to put it in a 350 oven and bake it. And I'm also going to mash half the bananas. It calls for 4 bananas. I'll mash half of them, and then I will slice the other 2 into the batter before I pour it into the pan. So let's get started. right, guys, I'm gonna put it in the oven at 350 for 50 minutes, and then I am gonna take it out. I will show you it when it's baked, and I will taste it when I have my breakfast this morning and let you know how it came out. All right, guys, I just took it out of the oven and it looks beautiful. You can see the little gooey pieces of banana in there. So I'm just gonna let this cool for a little bit, and then I'm gonna take a bite. All right, guys, I am going to have my breakfast. I'm gonna have a nice, delicious cup of coffee with my banana bread. So this is 4 points, so it's well within what I have normally been having for breakfast. It is a nice piece of bread. You know, that's one of the things when you go on one of these diets or you stop watching what you eat, you can't have your delicious breads. So let's give this a taste and see. You can see that you have little chunks of bananas in there. So, and bananas on the point system are 0 points. So you can eat a banana for a snack and it doesn't add any points. But so let's give it a taste. Delicious. Delicious texture to the bread. Moist. Tastes like banana bread. Absolutely delicious. I'm going to enjoy this banana bread for breakfast this morning. So if you are looking for a way to give yourself a delicious banana bread without adding a ton of calories, and if you're doing the points, the Weight Watcher points, this is going to be an awesome snack or meal. It's my breakfast today. So anyway, guys, I hope that you have enjoyed this video. I hope that you will let me know if you are doing the Weight Watchers points or if you have done it, if you've had success. So far, so good for me. And yeah, I hope that here's to delicious banana bread. Take care, everybody. I hope that you have a great week, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye for now.